Very good evening, friends. In the morning, I made live video how the market fell, what was the signal, and everything. You can go back and see the live video in the morning itself. So, I'm going to explain the details of my indicator first. Here, in this indicator, Market Memory POC, price remembers value. Let me show the indicator. One minute. Let me show. There is, if I go there, I'll go and show the indicator first. This is very beautiful indicator, friends. So it it gives you, this is the indicator which I have created. It's a paid indicator. You can WhatsApp me on my number 98452 09600. This is the indicator actually. I am explaining that indicator. Indicator contains value area of for every POC. Name it. I have included monthly POC, daily POC, weekly POC, and also yearly POC also in this. And I have enabled here only monthly POC, weekly POC, and daily POC, and value area of only daily POC. So the green color step line is here, this one. Value area high of the daily POC, and you can see crosses over here. Let me make it a little bit thicker so that you will see the daily POC. And if I make it thicker, little bit thicker, so that you will appreciate that daily POC here. Daily POC, this purple color is monthly POC and it is weekly POC. They were here and market opened. These are the POCs and magenta color is the value area low of the option zone. This is the yellow color channel with blue border is the option zone. This one is option zone. I have labeled it. You can see there. This is the option zone and this is Gann Hilo from rolling pivot. So you are now seeing the Gann Hilo from rolling pivot, and when market started, see market moved up and tried to move above the price, but Gann Hilo, it was below the Gann Hilo. The trend was negative for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 20 minutes, market went sideways, more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes only. It started getting rejected from this daily POC and started trading below the option zone. That was a clear indication that market is going to go down. You could have traded in put option. I had shown you 100 from 107 to it ran up to 234, 200 even more also. 234, that is 25,200 put option. And here it started coming down. Notice here the value area high was declining along with that. At one point of time, around 11 a.m., you can see the cluster of, cluster of, cluster of POCs, daily POC, monthly POC, and weekly POC price. Price got rejected from this area. That was the clear indication. and the value area low of the option zone started halting. Price started getting rejected from the POC earlier, and price getting rejection from the this one. Value area low of the option zone. Option zone, this blue color and this magenta color is the option zone value area. So their market started rejecting, and here the value area low high of the daily POC came here. Price interacted with that and came down and started moving. Gan Hilo turned blue. The trend was shifting, reversing, and finally around 11:55, there was a signal. The market climbed above the value area high. That means that is an initiative buying from the players. When the market leaves the value area high, that is expansion. You can anticipate for the expansion, and it was an initiative buying. The market moved higher from there, crossed the option zone. This was the cross the option zone, came down and reacted and traded towards towards this value area high of the uh, option zone. This light blue color is the option zone. At that level, my EP indicator triggered high volume signal. That is an indication you need to be cautious, because bullish EP has been triggered. That means no big player, no big volume will be triggered at the top to go higher. It is triggering at the exact level of the value area high of the option zone. That was an indication. Within 3 candles, market started coming down. It got rejected and started coming down, and finally closed inside the value area zone. It went sideways, and this is the point of control. It has been ascended. Note the thing. And value area low, red color, is also ascended, indicating that the value has been accepted and it has been shifted higher. And the point of control has been shifted higher, and this is the block. This is the block for 1 minute. Let me make it style. Let me not extend it. Though, see, this is the block. This is the area. From the value has been shifted to the higher area. It was trading down, and the value area was here, and the price moved to the top. Let me mark it with something you can see. This is one block, and this is the value. The shift value has been shifted higher, indicating positivity in the market. Probably tomorrow you can see market reversing. Market can go reverse if it comes down, and if it starts moving higher, or otherwise it can stay within the range also. But it is indicating that at this level buying has come down, and it is an aggressive short covering rally. You could have seen that is up to the from where it has fallen down, it rallied up to that, and finally closing in between 25,157, and the low was 24,969. 919 was the low, 24,919 was the low, and the price has moved higher 220 points from the low and closed over here. Previous day, it had closed around 25,250 or 260 something, but still the close is lower than the 25,157, but the close is significant. The market made the low of 24,919 and closed near the almost at the middle point of the. So this is the beautiful indicator. Let me take you to the put option where the signal has been generated, how you could have traded in this. Let me go to the 25,200 put option in the morning, 25,200 put option. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. And this blue color is the, let me hide the Gan Hilo. Let me hide this one is instead of the zone, a single line will be plotted on the options, whether it is call option or the put option. Here, what happened in the morning? The market moved higher. So for that, the market crossed the value area zone of the option value area high of the option zone. It came down. This is the option zone, option level, that is around 123 or something. Market came down, but previously if you see, the area was here. Let me mark this area before it expanded and came down and started reversing, climbing above the value area high of the daily. And this is the pivot, daily pivot, and this is weekly pivot. Price getting accepted, and you can see the candle. This was a red candle, rejection from there, and price moving higher. This is the beginning. From 123, it rallied up to non-stop, rallied up to 22,282. Yes, friends, I told it slipped out of my mind. It rallied up to 282. No, not even 282. It made an high of 326. Yes, friends, it made an high of, let me take the price label and mark it. This is the 327. Then it plummeted down to 114. From there, it plummeted down to 114 because market started moving higher from 11 a.m. You can see this was the POC here, and this is the option value area high of the option zone, and value area low of the option zone. The price got rejected from the daily POC and it retested the weekly POC and it could not sustain that. Price started coming down. From 236, it started moving down because underlying Nifty started moving. Beautifully, I demonstrated, I showed that on the underlying how the Nifty traded long. So immediately what you could have done, since the price was around 25,100, you could have gone for 25,100 call option. Here you can see around 11:30 p.m. from 178 it ran up to 313. Beautifully, this is the this blue color line is the option zone line on the underlying, this line, price climbing above the value area high of the daily POC, price same thing, mimicking the underlying Nifty chart, getting rejected from these clusters. Cluster of POC from daily, monthly, weekly, this is monthly, this is daily, blue color cross is and the value area. Once it started moving above the value area, that is an initiative buying from the big players. And you can see EP triggered at the resistance value area, high zone of the option, value area high of the option zone. Then where it has been triggered, it is a caution, price is going to, it is going to correct from there. You could have looked for put option. No, this is put option in this area. The put option came down to 113 to 112. From there, again, it rallied up to 150 or something. The price has closed in between 25,100 call option. It has closed near the value area high, and there is a POC formed here. Even the POC has been shifted, and the value area, this area and this market area has been shifted to the top, and the value area low. Value area low is here. If tomorrow, and it is the option zone value area low is increasing, indicating there is market is trying to. This was a short cover rally, came down, got accepted, and there is a value. We need to see whether the price is going to getting accepted in this area tomorrow. Then we can, if the market starts, this is a short covering rally, and if the market starts recovering, then it may go. It may rally up to 310 again. Market may rally up to 25. It may go sideways. Yeah, this type of fall will not recover. This is a consolidation box. Market will do consolidate in this area. We need to see it is a temporary halt. Whether it is a trend reversal? No, it is not a trend reversal, but you can trade for this. It is tradable. The range is almost 300 points range. You can trade very well for an option buyer. You can keep it as a zone, and you can trade the high and low of the zone. Yes, friends, thank you very much, Nalnakshi Swami. Before signing off, let me tell you, if you want my indicator, you can message me on 9845209600. You can WhatsApp me. It is a paid indicator. Definitely, friends, these are whatever the indicators I have created: episodic pivot, rolling pivot, reversal magic, and this indicator, market memory POC. They are super indicators. Definitely, your trading will improve and you will be a profitable trader. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.